Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will tell you how you can add this FPS meter on your Samsung phones. So this method will work on all Samsung phones. So currently I'm using Samsung S23 FE. So I will tell you how you can add this FPS meter on your Samsung phones. So this is very useful and most of you guys may know, but in my previous video, some of you guys commented like, please tell us how you added this FPS meter in your phone. So this video is for you guys, and this FPS meter is very useful guys. You can see how much FPS I'm getting and how much CPU phone is using and how much GPU Samsung phone is using, and most important things, how much temperature your phone is in. Okay, and the last thing, how much RAM is your phone using. And guys, this temperature thing is very useful guys. Currently you can see I'm getting 35 Celsius, which is normal. If this goes above 50, that means your phone is overheating. You should exit the game, because if you continuously play gaming while your phone temperature above 50, then your battery will like explode, or I will show you the picture. So this is very useful, and this is Samsung own feature. So how you can enable this, I will tell you in this video. Without further delay, let's get started. Alright guys, to enable that, first what you have to do is to go to Galaxy Store, Samsung official app store. So store, okay, you have to open this. Then on the search bar, you have to type game plugin. This plugins, okay, this is the one, and this is the one. This is Samsung official game plugin. So you have to click on install. So it's 7 MB. Alright, installation is done. Now you have to just click on open and click on agree, then allow. Then you will get all this kind of options. So these are all gaming related things, but I am telling you how to enable that FPS thing, right? So this is the one, PERFZ. You have to download this. It will take you back to Samsung Galaxy Store. You have to click on install. So it is around 6 MB. Just wait for a few seconds until it gets completely installed. So I will tell you what setting you have to do. Alright, the installation is done. You just have to go back to your home screen and go back to game plugin. Just type game plugin, and here you will see a PRFZ. This is the thing. You just have to enable this. Okay, it's done. There are a lot of settings you can enable it. So just click over here and just turn this on, and then go back, and you can enable or disable the settings. Okay, just you have to do this only. Now you if you open the game, like any game, like Free Fire, Bgmi, Pubg Mobile, or any other Call of Duty, any other games you will open, you will get this meter, and you can move this meter from here to there. Okay, and if you don't like this big icon, you just have you can just click once and it will disappear over here, and if you click again, then it will appears again. So you can see I'm getting 90 FPS guys. If you also want 90 FPS on your game, on your BGMI, I already make video on it, so you can watch this video. I will give that video link on the description. You can see I'm getting 90 FPS. CPU 26% of GPU it's using. Current temperature is 37, which is normal, and RAM usage is 31%. So this is how you can enable FPS meter on Samsung phones, any Samsung phones. Okay, this method will work on Samsung phone. So guys, again, if you have Samsung phones, do subscribe to my channel, and if this video was helpful, please give a like. We are very close to 1000 subs. You have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye.